Hey everybody, welcome back to the Join Drumming YouTube channel. Today we're going to do the second episode of our tutorial series. This one is going to be on time signatures. Time signatures. Like we have lengths, for example 2 kilometers or 20 centimeters, we always see a number followed by a unit. Similarly, in music, the time signature gives us the length of a bar. What is a bar, you might ask? Well, that is a bar. Let's try to think of time signature as a number and a unit. When we talk about lengths, the unit plays a vital role in telling us the magnitude or scale of which we are describing. Don't worry, it's got nothing to do with an earthquake. Let's take the same example we took earlier. 2 kilometers and 20 centimeters. In this example, if we remove the existence of kilometer and centimeter, which is the unit, we see that 20 is a bigger number than 2. However, taking the units into consideration, we find that 2 kilometers happens to be far bigger than 20 centimeters. So you may have a question for me. Joy, what are the units in music? Because I just see two numbers. Well, that's a great question. For this, we need to understand note values. Everyone loves a good pizza. So let's take one example using a pizza. If I was to cut the pizza in half, I get 2 equal size slices. If I take one of those half slices and I cut it in half, I get 2 equally sized quarter slices. Similarly, if I cut the quarter slice straight down the middle, I will get the size of the slices have become smaller so you can fit more slices, but the size of the pizza is still the same. Comparing an 8th slice with half a slice, we notice that we can fit up to 4 8th slices in the same space as half a slice. A whole has a total of 2 halves. Each half can have up to 2 quarters. Similarly, in a quarter you can have up to 2 eighths, so on and so forth. So the two numbers that depict time signature tell us how many of what type of notes you can fit in one bar. That does not mean that you have to play those note values. It just tells us how much space we have. Let's take a quick example. The most common time signature that you would encounter is the time signature 4/4. Now a lot of people refer to this as 4/4, and just to clarify, this is not a fraction, it is 4/4. It is two numbers. So 4/4 is the most common time signature. Think of the top number as quote unquote the number, and think of the bottom 4 as the unit. So in this example, we can see that the unit has a number 4. That indicates to us that it is quarter notes, and that is the unit. So simply put, a bar of 4/4 can fit up to 4 quarter notes. Now that does not mean you have to play 4 quarter notes. It just means the bar is 4 quarter notes long. Can you guess what time signature this is? Leave your answer down in the comments section below, and if you like this kind of stuff, please like and subscribe to the Join Drumming